In step 6, we're going to tie the Kevlar shock cord, this short one, to the motor mount tube. Now, if the ends are frayed, go ahead and take some thin CA glue and saturate it until it stiffens up. Once it's stiff, you can cut off the frayed portion. Okay, so you just want it so that it can go into the holes on this front centering ring, just like that. Before we do anything, though, we need to mark the cord at 12 inches. So I'm going to take my ruler and come out to 12 inches, and I'm just going to put a piece of tape on both pieces at the 12-inch mark. Actually, I want to be on this side. And this just is for, this is going to be just temporary so that we can pull it off later. Okay, so now we're going to take both ends, we're going to put them through the holes on the front, pull them through. We want to bring them under, pull them up till that point there, so that you have an equal amount go around. And then we're going to tie them this way. So there's like 3 strands on the cord. And we're going to tie a knot in there. Then we're going to pull these tight. And our next step is to take some epoxy, and we're going to saturate everything up here to lock it into place. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up some epoxy, and we'll put that on there. We're going to mix this up. Okay, and we're going to let that harden. So we'll come back, and then in step 10, we're going to tie a knot in this top spot, but we need to let that cure first. Okay, we're in step 10, and the epoxy is hard on the engine mount. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape because we don't need that anymore. Okay, so now we want to stretch this out, and we want to hang it so it's hanging perfectly straight up and down. And here's the apex right here. And we want to tie a knot at the top of that. And that's going to be where we attach the shock cord of the rocket so it hangs vertically. And if it doesn't, move it around until it does. Okay. All right.